times our lifestyle tells God that he did not do a good job at creating us. Let me tell you the function of your eyebrow. See this, your eyebrow. It has a function. The function actually is to protect your eyes from sweat, like dripping sweat from your head or your face. It protects your eyes from sweats dropping in, yeah, and it also kind of absorbs some kind of dots and all that would have gotten into your eyes. But now you see, nowadays my gender goes extra mile to do a lot of things. You've heard of microblading, yeah? It's trending now all over the place. In fact, if there's I can't say almost every woman has gotten that done. Now, microblading is a popular semi-temporary cosmetic procedure that is done to enhance the eyebrow. Semi-temporary, so once in a while you have to go and put a touch, of course, yeah. And then how is it done? It is an incision. They do a small incision on your eyebrow in order to put an implant known as a pigment that will color your eyebrow. So once that incision is done, it creates a room for a potential infection. This infection comes from either the environment they carry out the procedure, or from the instruments that they use for the procedure, or from the post-procedure aftercare. So what happens is, if they use, say, an instrument, or if firstly the environment, if the environment where they are doing such procedure is not hygienic, it's a problem. Because of course, anything that goes into your body, once anything outside this surface it's supposed to be a sterile procedure. So if they do it in a dirty place, you're at potential risk of infection. And then if they use an instrument for somebody, a client, and it was not sterilized, they eventually use it on you, you're at risk of infection. Let's assume now that they use that particular instrument for a person living with HIV or somebody that has hepatitis, then you may potentially be infected with such virus. And then also, if you are allergic to cosmetics also, you will be at risk of reacting to such pigment, causing swelling and redness of the eyes that may eventually cause another eye problem for you. Another thing is, if this microblading normally is a shallow incision that is supposed to be done, like a shallow kind of tattooing, yeah, but if for any reason the technician goes deeper than the person should go, then there will be scars on your eyebrow. That scar will lead to scab, and then if you have a sensitive skin, you are at risk of having keloid formation. You begin to get keloids on your eyes. One thing also that they do not also tell you is that once that is done, you cannot have the same texture of eyebrow that you once had. It's going to thin out, or they may all fall off also. You get it? Now let me tell you, before you carry, because a lot of us just rush in, and before you carry out this procedure, just make sure that you are not on blood thinners. Blood thinners or medications that are blood thinners are anticoagulants, bloods that ensure that dissolve kind of blood clots to prevent stroke and every other heart attack. Because if you are on blood thinner and they make such incision in your eyes, you bleed, it's not going to clot. It's going to be a problem for you. The blood bleeding is not going to clot. Now, my fellow gender, I still want to plead to you, before you do such procedure, firstly ask yourself, does it matter in heaven? Does it truly matter in heaven? What are you doing all these things for? What are you doing these things for? Does it matter? If we take care of our spiritual being, just the much, even if it's half of the way we take care of our physical being, I'm very sure this world is going to be a better place. Be careful. Everything is moderation. Everything is wisdom. Bible says wisdom is profitable to direct. Do enjoy your day, guys. Bye.